Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you want Firefox to automatically delete your browsing history, cookies and cache every time you close the browser, you can easily enable this built-in privacy feature. In this video, I will show you the correct way to automatically clear browsing data when closing Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Firefox browser, then click on this one triple horizontal line in the menu in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, select settings. Under Firefox settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down and you will find this one section, cookies and site data. Here check this one option that says delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. Now again scroll down to history section. Here using this one drop down and select here never remember history. Then click on the restart Firefox now. That's it. From now on, whenever you close Firefox, it will automatically clear the browsing data. This is very useful if you share your PC with others or want to improve your privacy. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.